Good morning, everybody. This is a revised video analysis of the procedure video. We are from Group 3, and the Group 3 consists of Muhammad Kurnia Ramadhan, Pirda Mela Angguina, Tanzillal Alka, and Muhammad Reezidane Faqih. The video is taken from the YouTube by the account named Dreamlet, and the link is already submitted down there. The title of the video is 5 Steps to Graduate College Early, How to Get Ahead in School. So this presentation will be started with Alka.
Thank you, Bang Iz. The first is the social function. The social function is to give steps of what to do from the preparation to each lesson subject taken. And then for the text structure, the goal is to guide on the audience about how to graduate college early. And then next, go to Pirda, please.
Okay, the next part of text structure are structure. The first one is opening. This is the narrator straight through his point by telling the audience about the guide to graduate college 1 year early. The second one is the main content. The narrator then goes on with points and explanations or the trick about what to take and what to make sure. So the last one, closing. This is the narrator gives the motivations by saying that everything needs hard work. So next, for the text structure, there are steps. The first one is credits or units. This is the point is taking extra classes for extra subjects. The second one is exemption. Finish the requisite subject as fast as possible with the guide of lecture. Everything then will go smoothly. The next, required classes. This is the list all the major subject and the minor subjects into 2 different lists. So then it will help to get you a knowledge of what has done and what to plan. Next, professor, do make contact with the lectors related to the subject you are about to take, since some of the subject are prerequisites and or some of the subject are not allowed to be taken yet, but you may ask for permissions or allowance towards that by asking to the lecturer. The last one is execution. Everything needs hard work. So this last step is a message to have bigger courage and great penetrations on doing that. So the next presentations will be delivered by Rama.
Thank you. The next is language features. It uses simple present tense. For the part of speech, they are noun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and auxiliary verb. For noun, they are you, information, to, so on. For the verb, they are remember, using, belief, proof, so on. Next is adverb. They are never, how, absolutely, so on. For the adjective, they are main, verbal, visual, crazy, so on. Preposition, they are in, for, of, to, about, around. For the conjunction, they are as, or, and, if, that, but. And for the last is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. They are, is, can, are. Thank you.
Uh, by the insight from Ibu Siti Drivoka about our last video analysis, we inferred that the last video wasn't a procedural video because of they're only how to, not a real steps as it is written by Siti Drivoka. And now the video is about what to do. I mean, like, it is probably the better video about the procedural video. The first one named credits or units, the second one the exemptions, the third one required class, and the fourth one about professors, and the last one, the point number 5, is that the motivational thing about how to deal with the college and how to graduate early, 1 year earlier. So all the points that we have been emphasized by the video is that those 5 points, the first one in the credits units, we've got to count on how many subjects we are about to take, or how many subjects that have been collected by the college, by the university, and probably we have got to take an extra subjects, so we know how to get it earlier, how to graduate earlier. And then the exemptions, we've got to have knowledge about what kind of subjects we are taking in each semester, because some subjects are prerequisites, which means that specific subjects must have graduated first to get the another one. So then it will not burden us to get another subjects. Then in the third one, the required class means that we have count of all the subjects of all the classes we haven't taken or we must take in this semester or in the next semester. And the last one is the professor. I mean, it's how we deal with the 3 points before this. Why? Because the professor in the video describes as the guide of what to do with those subjects and how can we graduate earlier, a year specifically earlier. And the last one is the motivational, as it is already said, as it is already described by Pirda. It is how to execute that, it's how to deal with that, and it is a knowledge that it needs courage more than everything. Thank you, that's all from us, the group 3. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.